Well, it's been 5 years. The first video I made got an unexpected number of views, certainly a lot more than any other video I've posted. Um, I figure some people might be wondering how well this has held up. Um, well, and also thank you for the mostly nice comments. YouTube comments aren't typically known for being nice. Anyway, I think most of the gate has held up well. One thing that you may notice. Oh, phooey. Um, I'll get to that in a second. I don't know if you can see, but I think I might have over tightened the cable and turnbuckle type thingy, because you can see it's actually doing the opposite of sagging. And in fact, it's actually bowed inwards a little. I don't know if you can see it, but at least it's not sagging. It's never been rubbing on the ground. The main problem I have with this gate, it's not actually anything to do with this. It's that this post is loose in the ground. And also a lot of this wood is like kind of rotting away. Um, eh, the gate still held together pretty well. I haven't had to tighten the turnbuckle, like I said. I think it was over tight to begin with. Um, I had put a deadbolt here that I think. Oh, one thing I did have to do, I did have to reposition this. I don't know if the gate itself sagged or what happened, but everything was out of alignment, so I had to reposition it so that it would shut again. Um, I did have a little sliding deadbolt here that I guess I removed and didn't put back. Um, some of the screws are rusted, which, not too surprising. Um, this post here is clearly a lot newer than all of the other wood, so it has stayed in place pretty well. I do have to replace this one. But yeah, you can see it, it doesn't look great, but it functions. Yeah, just thought people might want to know how well it held up. Okay.